Now we are moving on to native gel electrophoresis. This is a technique in which proteins are separated or protein mixture are separated without denaturing them. Without denaturing, without losing their biological property, we can separate components of protein. This is actually a sample picture of such a gel. You can see that the different protein components are separated based on their molecular mass. You see 97.4 kilodalton is there, while progressively downward it is reduced 14.4 kilodalton is here. So the smallest one moved faster. So probably they began from here and they moved in this direction. Page polyacrylamide gel electrophoresis is of two types. Earlier we found an SDS page. There SDS, sodium dodecyl sulfate, is applied in order to denature the proteins. So there the proteins are, even though they are separated, they are denatured, so they cannot be used for any further analysis. While the other type of page is called native page, where the proteins are not denatured. They are still functional. They are separated based on charge and size and shape of the molecule. Since the proteins are not denatured, after being separated on the gel, they can be cut and removed and they can be used for further analysis. So a native page is the page in which proteins are separated without being denatured. And this was the earliest form of electrophoresis. Later, when came the problem of separating proteins with the different charges on the same molecule, and also when we had to separate the molecules based on their mass alone, we came with the SDS page. This is a comparison between SDS page and a native page of the same components of the same mixture. Of course, in this stage, we cannot gather any data, but just understand that the same protein mixture may be separated by using SDS or by using native. The same mixture can be separated by using both the techniques. And that result we get, of course, will vary. And depending upon our purpose. See, for example, if we want to make use of the protein separated for further analysis, then we should definitely use native page. Because during SDS page, the proteins are denatured and we cannot use them for further analysis. This is about native page. Another slide. Same matter only is there. Separates folded proteins and protein or protein ligand complexes by charge, size and shape. It is used for examining different types of interactions and detecting different forms of the same proteins. We call them isoforms. And conditions of native gel, of course, polyacrylamide gel is used. We are not using any denaturant. So protein remains in original conformation and functional, and movement depends on intrinsic charge and hydrodynamic size of the molecule. This is a diagrammatic representation of native gel electrophoresis. Large high positive charge proteins can be seen here, while large low positive charged proteins can be seen here. Why? This is the positive charge electrode and here is the negative charged electrons. So when positive charge is more, they are repelled much more faster, while when the positive charge is less, they are repelled but to a slower extent. Small high positive charge molecules are actually, they are the fastest and they reached here, while small and low positive charge molecules are somewhere in the middle. So based on size and based on the magnitude of the charges, based on the magnitude and the size of the charge, I mean type of the charge, they are separated.